Hello Craigslisters, today we have for sale a 1992 Honda xr250r dirt bike. The bike is in rideable condition. It has the nice 250 motor that has been rebuilt. Full walk around here. The headlight on the front does work. They got a valve right here in case you get too much compression in your motor. You can hit this valve and it will let out some of the compression. You got a mile odometer right here. You have a kill switch. You got your throttle. The nice thing about this bike is they've got the mud flaps right here, which is really what you want. The grips right here are kind of tore up a little, but that's really not a big deal. You got your 2.5 gallon gas tank here, regular gasoline it runs on. You got your 6-speed manual transmission. The seat has no rips at all. It's even got XR right there. It has a nice tool bag here on the back. The taillight does not work and everything. It's kickstart. It's not electric start because I don't think they had electric start back then. And everything. You have your foot brake for your rear, front brake here, and you got a good clutch right here too. The tires are in excellent shape. This bike comes with 2 sets of tires. The bike is running now. Your headlight works on the front, as you can tell. It's kind of dark. It's very nice and quiet when you're running it too.